Hey guys, so I already solved day 5 of Advent of Code in C. So here's I submitted my solution. Your puzzle answer was that and that, but I'm gonna be solving it in Python. So I'm gonna show you guys how fast Python. It's easy to write code in Python. So I'm gonna write a solve.py. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is read from our example.txt. So I'm gonna say with open example.txt as f, and then I'm gonna say puzzle input let's say puzzle input is equal to f dot read dot split, and we're gonna split by a vertical bar, guys, and we're gonna split by a comma. Let me do a quick test with the split function. Alright, so if I have 4, 7, 5, 7, then I have 47, 57, guys, then I do split with a vertical bar, it's gonna split it like that. If I split it with a comma, oh, I see. So I have to actually, okay, so split with a comma, guys. Okay. So I'm just gonna split it with a vertical bar. With the vertical bar, guys, and then let's print out the puzzle input and see what we get. Oh, there's no such file. Okay, that should work. So now we're doing that. Oh, let's split on new lines first, guys. So now we have this. Alright. And we're gonna say, guys, for pi in puzzle input, no, for a line in puzzle input, we're gonna say alright, let's say I comma line enumerate puzzle input print. Let's see what this gives us. Alright, so 0, okay. So then now, guys, I'm just gonna say puzzle underscore input index I is equal to line dot split vertical bar And let's run that. So we're getting that now. And then now, guys, we're gonna say puzzle input. We can just say if vertical bar is in the line, then puzzle input index I is equal to that. Otherwise, if a comma is in the line, then puzzle input index I is equal to line dot split comma. Alright, now guys, we have that. So now we're gonna just convert the values that we get into an integer, guys. So we're just gonna iterate. So line dot split. So whenever we split that line, guys, by that, then we're just gonna say, all right, let's say split value equal to this. And then we're just gonna say line puzzle input index I is gonna be equal to a list of split value index 0, index 1, index split value 1, split value equals to line dot split, comma, equals to a list of split value index 0. No, we're just gonna say line dot split, blah blah blah. Oh, there's an easier way to do this, guys. We could just say num for num in line dot split vertical bar. We just convert it to an integer, and then we can do the same for right here as well. So it's split by a space, so we can just say puzzle input index I is equal to int num for num in line dot split, comma. So now if we print this out, guys, it isn't printing it. Oh yeah, because I removed the print. Okay, so now we have integers. And now that we have that, guys, we can actually extract the page orders thing. So page ordering, just call it page rules. And we're gonna have another thing called page just updates, and it's gonna be a list and we're gonna say for I in the range for puzzle in puzzle input, if puzzle wait, let's put the page rules up here. So page rules equals to a list, updates equals to a list. And then in here, guys, we can just say page rules dot append puzzle input index I. We don't even have to do that. We can just actually say page rules dot append that list. And then for right here, guys, we can say updates dot append. And then now, guys, we can actually, let's print out our page rules. Let's print out our updates. So we can just say printf, print page rules, new line, and we can just say print page order and rules, and then we can just say updates. And let's run our code so we get the page order and rules. Okay, nice. So now let's solve the problem. So we need to find the correct values, the correct order and thing. Yeah, we need to find the correct updates. Yeah, so we find the correct update. So I'm gonna say define a function called is correct update, and it's gonna take in the page rules, and it's gonna take in an update, and we're gonna say for I, comma, update value page rule, no, this is gonna be update so found match equals to false. We're just gonna return found match. Then we're just gonna say, guys, we're gonna iterate through everything. So, and then we're just gonna enumerate our update. We don't even need to enumerate anything. For I in the range 0 to the length of update minus 1. We're going to say if page rules index I we're going to iterate through each of our page rules, so j in the page rules we're going to say if update at index 0, no, at index I is equal to page rules wait, let's make this j. Length of page rules, and then we're just gonna say, guys, if update index I wait, let's define another function is rule match, so it's just gonna take in the page rules and it's just gonna take in two values, a, b. We're just gonna say if iterate through each rules for rule for I in the range 0 to the length of page rules. We're gonna say if page rules index I at index 0 is equal to a, and page rules index I at index 1 is equal to b, then we're just gonna return true. And once we exit the function, we just return false. So that is if we don't find a match. And then now, guys, we can say if update index I we can say if is rule underscore match page rules update index I update index I plus 1 And then guys, I'm gonna define a function called find correct updates and we're gonna have a list guys called for correct updates. And we're gonna say for update for I in the range. We could just say for update in updates if is correct underscore update, and we pass in our page rules first, then correct updates dot append update. And then we can just return our correct updates at the end, and we're going to define a function called calculate middle page total. Set the page rules, updates. I'm writing like I'm in C, guys. I haven't used Python in a while, so I'm kinda rusty, by the way. So correct updates. And I'm just gonna find the middle values. So I'm gonna have an integer called total middle page pages, set that to 0, iterate through each correct. So for update in correct updates, we're just gonna say if we're just gonna say while so we get the correct updates, guys. Now we just need to calculate the middle page total. So it's just gonna be total middle pages plus equal correct updates. No, the length of the update divided by 2, but it's gonna be that the value at that index, and then we can just say print the total middle pages are total middle pages, and let's run our code, guys. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, I missed a colon. In what function? Oh, line 20. Oh, I've missed this, so I'm just gonna say found match equal to true, and then I'm just gonna break, guys. And then now, guys, I can call this calculate middle page total, passing the page rules and the updates. Oh, because I need to actually convert this. Oh, I need to floor it, so now, guys, I get 278, but that's incorrect because I'm supposed to get 143. So let's see what the issue is. Still 278. Why is that? 61, 53. I'm just supposed to add 61, 53, and 29. Oh. Wait, let's print out the correct updates we're getting. So the correct updates we're getting is this, this, and this. We're supposed to get 3 of them. But instead we get more than that. Oh, I need this. I'm supposed to do this, guys. If I'm supposed to say if not, rule match, then return false. Otherwise, return true. It's Python, not C. Alright, so now we get 143, and then if we try it on our puzzle, guys, so we can open up our puzzle, we'll get the correct answer, so 466. Can get rid of this add-in thing. see, we get the correct answer there, guys, and it's what I submitted. And then now, guys, let's solve the next challenge. So in this one, all we need to do is just find the incorrectly ordered updates and regroup the items in it inside of it. We're just gonna correct the incorrectly ordered updates and find the sum of the middle numbers. So all I need to do, guys, is just say I'm gonna define a function called correct update. Oh, so what we're gonna say, guys, is let's rename this. Find incorrect updates. Is correct update. We're just gonna say not, and we're just gonna append it. And then, guys, wait, let's save this thing. So I'm gonna copy this solve.py, guys, into challenge 2. And I'm gonna rename this function to find incorrect updates. So I'm just gonna, so it should find the incorrect updates now, guys. Just gonna rename this. Let's delete that thing. For update in incorrect updates, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna say while the update while not is correct update, page rules update, then I'm gonna say for I in the range 0 to the length of update, -1 if not rule is rule match page rules, and then update index I, update wait, this is going to be update index I, update index I plus 1, then I'm gonna swap, so I'm gonna say update index I, comma update index I plus 1 equals update I plus 1 update I. And let's run our code. Oh, this should be not. And let's run our code. Wait, where's that? Oh, it's at line 30. Find correct update, so I'm calling the wrong function. It should be find incorrect updates. And let's run the code. I have an infinite loop. Oh. I have an infinite loop. Oh, it's not an infinite loop, guys. It's just Python is too slow. And I get the correct answer, guys. So you can see I get 5,900. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.